Welcome to Mr. Bell Kitchen. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell, and you are subscribed to Mr. Bell Kitchen. Thank you for leaving all your good comments and everything. Today, I'll be doing something else. I'll be cooking on the stove today. You know, we've been trying out these chicken nuggets. We've been baking them and everything. The Tyson chicken nuggets and everything. So the other day, we fried some. I'm telling you, once you taste these chicken nuggets, you probably be saying goodbye, McDonald's. They are so crispy and so delicious. The kids, I, and my wife, they love it. So today, I'll be frying some of these chicken nuggets, taking you step by step. You know, Mr. Bell like to take you step by step. They look good. Most of the time, we just put them in the oven and everything fast. But I'm telling you, when you fry them and you taste them and taste the crunch in them and everything, you'll be saving money and you'll be enjoying your chicken nuggets. This right here, Mr. Bell, going to take you step by step over here, put them on the stove, and we're going to get started right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to start putting them in while they're frozen. Just put it in here, in this pot. Just drop them in. Just like that. That's, and they frozen. You can put them in while they're frozen to cook it more better. Put them in just like that. I'll put the camera a little closer so you can see. As you see, they frying nice and good and everything. I'm doing it in the pot because I'm using a little bit of this vegetable oil, and plus it'll give it a nice, good cook. And what I'm going to do, as you see, I'm going to just flip them over a little bit. You see, they're cooking nice and good. Okay, as you see, they looking nice and good. It's only been a few minutes. I'm going to cut it off. And I'm going to tell you, once you taste these, you're not going to be buying no more McDonald's chicken nuggets. The kids going to love them. Take them out like that. Put them to the side. This right here are your fried chicken nuggets. They looking nice and good. I'm going to try one of them and see how good they is. Going to use a little barbecue sauce. Just dab it in there. I'm going to taste it. Mm. Okay, nice and crunchy. Tastes good with the sauce. You can use any kind of sauce you want or any kind of grease you want to use, but they are very delicious. You should try. That's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, just hit that bell. Ding! Thank you for watching.